Inspection is the primary quality control implementation activity on a day-to-day basis. So, obviously, product and services should be inspected in order to weed out inferior units. Inspecting products while they are being made also avoid further work on already defective units. But if these savings are all that the inspector accomplishes, then large gains are being overlooked. Testing and inspection. Testing is a specific kind of inspection, a broader term that testing includes all activities, among them testing, to see if the product are up to standards. If to inspect an item, a person has to do more than just look at it or measure. If to inspect an item, a person has to do more than just look at it or measure. It is usually called testing rather than inspecting. Tests may be performance or operating test. Methods of checking product quality. Inspection. Here are some kind of inspection. A. Visual. B. Judgmental. C. Broad. D. Tasking. E. Deals with properties determined as attributes inherent characteristic visual. Types of materials checked for quality. Number 1. Raw of purchase material for those suppliers with ISO International Organization for Standardization founded in 1946. Certification normally attract and maintain big clients. ISO certification is an international standard on good management practices with the goal of ensuring that a company delivers the materials or service that meets clients' requirements. ISO 9000 series of standards and are intended to ensure that the company conforms to specified requirements in the areas of design, development, production, installation, and services. Number 2, work in progress. Number 3, finished products. Practical stages at which it is best to check quality. Number 1, after a critical operation, because that's where trouble is bound to be encountered. Inspect and after operation, which are likely to produce faulty items so that no more work will be done on bad items. Number 2, inspect before a costly operation to prevent unnecessary cost on already defective inputs or so that this costly operation will not be performed on already spoiled items. Number 3, inspect before operation that will cover up defects because it will be difficult to see these defects after covering up such as electroplating, painting, or assembly. Number 4, inspect before assembly operation which cannot be undone due to mistake, defects, such as welding, parts of mixing paints. 5, inspect before storage including purchase items. Number 6, inspect before operation where faulty materials product may break, jam the machine. Number 7, inspect finished products component. Number 8, inspect and test finished product. Be sure that nothing is shipped out without inspection. From here to the customer is the inspector and he will give a company only one chance. If the product fails, he goes elsewhere. Worse yet, he tells everybody that this company product are no good. Number 9, on automatic and semi-automatic machines, inspect first and last piece of items but only occasionally in between pieces to ensure that few items and last are okay, as well as those in between. And here are some methods of disposing rejected materials. Number 1, sell them as seconds. Example, slightly defective textile tire. Number 2, salvage by reworking or reblending. Example, batch type petroleum. Number 3, non-critical qualities are defective, accepted or passed. Number 4, downgrade, sell it as low quality products. Number 5, walk away. Dishonest method
check the seams on the edge of the top mattress, particularly those next to the headboard, and then the mattress tag, and then I'm done. Now, if you're really freaked out by bedbugs, or you're new to bedbug inspections, you may want to check all of the seams